subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Guys, welcome back to Quality Graphic Design channel. It's great having you here. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can remove watermark on your image. The last tutorial I had on this channel was on how you can find resources for your designs. So I noticed something that probably you could be on these resources. After you've gotten the resources, probably you might be having a watermark on these resources. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can remove such watermark on the image. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever uploading an amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, I will be teaching you guys how you can remove watermark on your image or your resources. Looking on this image now, this is one of the resources you can use in making your designs. So looking on this image now, you can see we have a watermark which is Dreams Time on the image. So this video is going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove such watermark. So you go to your browser, any of the browser you have in your phone. So you go to the browser, you search inside the search bar, you just enter watermark remover. You enter watermark remover. Once you search for watermark remover, the first site you will be having after you must have searched for watermark remover is the site we will be using to remove the watermark. So you click on the site. So looking at this is the interface of the site. The site is a site that is being designed mainly for the removal of watermarks on images. So you can see this is the site. This is the interface of a site. So once you've entered the site like this, you can see we have upload image here. So the next thing you will be doing is that you click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you will be taken to your gallery. So you click on browse to get the image you want to remove the watermark. Once you must have located the folder you have the image in, you click on the image. Then you wait while the image is being processed. Looking at this now, if you look at this vividly, you can see we have watermark on this image. While on this image we are not having watermark. So after you must have upload the image, the watermark will be automatically removed. You don't need to carry out any process or anything. The watermark will be automatically removed. So you just come to download image here and then click on download image. Then the image will be downloaded to your gallery. So let's check the image now. Looking at this image now, you can see we have no watermark on the image. So that is how you can remove watermark on your image. So in the video description, I will be putting a link to how you can find your resources. After you must have removed the watermark, I will be putting a link to a video that will be teaching you guys how you can remove the background and increase the quality of the image. Thanks for watching.
Never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the